My turn? Open it now.
Yep.
That's a cute shirt, Ash.
Really good.
Look at his shirt.
Well, she can wear that one in December again.
What is it?
Oh, who gave him that?
I
Yeah,
did.
I didn't know that.
No, I bought that one day.
What is it? Is it a computer game?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Thank you, Emma.
That's super sweet.
Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome. Come up here and give me kisses. Get up here.
And then I
I didn't get a hug or a kiss.
I gave you a hug.
I know, I didn't want another one, no. Because I like them. Give me kisses.
Aww.
I
Well,
love you.
we're not gonna be able to hug after every present, probably.
Oh, yeah. I'll take a hug after every present.
I will too.
Okay. There wasn't 700 pounds of wrapping on
Well,
it.
when we came back from the gas station, I'm glad you came. I hardly see you.
Oh.
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 Wee wee.
You got all you wanted?
Wee wee. Hey wee. Give it a kiss.
Get your puppy kisses.
Give puppy a kiss. Give it a kiss. Aww.
Give him hugs. Give him loves now. Oh,
Aw.
kisses and hugs.
She's gonna hug it.
And give him hugs.
Ruff, ruff. Oh. That'll be sweet. You can have games for your computer now?
That's awesome. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome, Devin.
You Devin, open your mouth.
Alright, we're all done.
Aww.
All right.
No, oh, of course. Every time I turn the camera, like,
Yeah.
oh, unmute it.